I have found a friend in Jesus, He's everything to me. He's the fairest of 10,000 to my soul, the lily of the valley, in Him alone I see all I need to cleanse and make me fully whole. In sorrow He's my comfort, in trouble He's my stay. He tells me every care on Him to roll. He's the